Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and it's Stacy here, and in today's video I'll be doing a hot oil treatment and I'll be using my herbal hair growth oil. It's from my hair care line. So yeah, this oil is enriched with over 20 herbs, oils and vitamins to strengthen your hair and promote hair growth. So that's what I'll be using for the hot oil treatment, and I'm going to show you two methods of doing the hot oil treatment. The first, which is what I'm currently doing now, you want to warm the oil using a double boiling method and then transfer to an applicator bottle and apply the warm oil to your scalp and hair. While I'm applying the hot oil to my hair and scalp, let's look at some of the reasons why a hot oil treatment is important. First of all, it helps to restore and increase hair moisture balance. It also helps to prevent split ends and frizziness. Hot oil treatments help prevent dry scalp and dandruff. It also increases blood circulation to the scalp, which in turn promotes hair growth. It helps to strengthen your hair due to the extra nutrients which reaches your scalp. And finally, it also adds shine to your hair. So this is a very good treatment that you might want to consider including into your hair regimen, and it's done before you shampoo your hair. So it's a pre-shampoo treatment. So give it a try and you won't regret it. So as you can see, I'm just applying the oil and gently massaging my scalp. You want to make sure that the blood circulation is in action. So yeah, that's what I'm doing, and it also helps me to easily detangle my hair. So as you can see, my fingers are just gliding through my hair without any tension or friction. So yeah. So another way you can do the hot oil treatment is by just applying the oil directly to your scalp and your hair without having to go through the process of warming the oil before applying to your hair and scalp. So what I do is I just apply this oil. I'm going to use my hair growth oil. It's a herbal hair growth oil from my hair care line. So if you want to check that out, I'll leave the link in the description box. So I'm going to be using it for my hot oil treatment. I'll just apply this to my hair and scalp and then massage, then cover it up with a plastic bag. Then I'm going to put on my steaming cap. So as it steams, it's going to warm up the oils in my hair and open my hair cuticles for the oils and all the benefits to penetrate my hair and scalp. You might want to consider the first option if you don't have a steaming cap, so you have to warm up the oils and all of that, cover your hair with a plastic bag. and then just try to trap in the heat somehow. But if you have a steaming cup, I don't really find all that process necessary. You can just apply the oil to your scalp and your hair, and then put on your steaming cup. The steaming cup is going to warm up the oils in your hair, and at the same time opening your cuticles for all the goodness of the oil to penetrate your hair and scalp. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. So let's get into the second option. Like you saw me do before, I like to spritz my hair with water before I proceed to applying the oil to my hair. So yeah, I like my hair to be a little bit moist before I apply the oils to it. So that's why I'm spritzing my hair with water. It's just pure water, nothing added. When I'm done applying the oil to my hair and scalp, I'll just go ahead and take my scalp massage brush and begin to massage my scalp for about 5 minutes. This helps with blood circulation to the scalp and helps stimulate the scalp and promotes hair growth. So you want to make sure you massage your scalp. Scalp massages are very important. So yeah, that's what I'm doing before I'll proceed to covering my hair and placing it in a steaming bag or steaming cup. I usually let my hair steam in the steaming cup for about 20 minutes and then I wash it off the next day. So basically I do this treatment overnight. So yeah, the next morning I just shampoo my hair and then I'm good to go. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.